A black hole is a ladder in the universe invisible to the human eye. Don't be fooled by how small some black holes are. Even enormous stars nearby can be ruthlessly devoured. When an object approaches a black hole, it will be stretched into noodles by tidal forces, then spin rapidly in the accretion disk of the black hole, and gradually fall into the black hole until completely devoured. So why can black holes swallow everything? How outrageous is the process of their formation? According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is caused by objects with mass curving spacetime. And as long as a celestial body is dense and massive enough, spacetime will be curved to an extreme degree. This is what we call a black hole. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that even light cannot escape. This is also why we cannot see black holes. However, astronomers can still detect some celestial objects orbiting an invisible mass, or discover accretion disks formed when black holes devour objects, thus confirming the existence of black holes. It is well known that stars like the Sun are very massive. In theory, they should collapse inward due to their own gravity. However, as the Sun performs nuclear fusion, it produces an outward pressure that balances gravity, allowing it to continuously emit light and heat steadily. But when a massive star reaches the end of its life, and its nuclear fuel is completely exhausted, this balance is broken, ultimately leading to core collapse. Meanwhile, the outer layers react violently, resulting in a supernova explosion. And as long as the core mass is large enough, it will continue to collapse, becoming a stellar mass black hole. But the Sun is a relatively small yellow dwarf and is not enough to become a black hole in the end. According to calculations, only massive stars around 20 times the Sun's mass can eventually evolve into black holes. You should know once a black hole forms, it becomes a monster that can never be full. If placed in the early universe, when surrounding celestial bodies were abundant, whether nearby stars, planets, interstellar dust, or even other small black holes would all be devoured one by one. Then its mass would keep increasing, eventually growing into a supermassive black hole. For example, in April 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope released a photo of the M87 Galaxy Center black hole. It is a supermassive black hole, 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun. In the photo, we cannot directly see the black hole itself. The bright halo around it is the frictional light from the matter it devours. The entire boundary of the black hole is called the event horizon. Anything that crosses into a black hole's boundary, including light, theoretically cannot escape again. So currently, no one can say for sure what's inside a black hole. But we can imagine, if humans were to enter a black hole, what exactly would they see?